the I for?
Integrity.
What's L for?
Loyalty.
Good. Your word should be like?
Go.
What does that mean?
To do what your parents need to say, and
You say something?
you have to do it.
All right. Fighting stance. Let's go.
Ice.
Ready. Let's go. Hustle. Go. Go. Mean face. Where's my face? Let's go. Down low. Ready. Hands. 1 go.
Yeah.
2 go.
Yeah.
3.
Yeah.
4.
Yeah.
5.
Yeah.
6.
Yeah.
7.
Yeah.
8.
Yeah.
9.
Yeah.
10.
Yeah.
11.
Yeah.
Good. 12.
Yeah.
Let it go by yourself. Go.
Yeah.
Good. 1 through that. I was 1 through 14. Ready? Go. Quick. All right. Front kick.
Yeah.
Push kick.
Yeah.
Quick kick.
Yeah.
Groin kick.
Yeah.
Knee to face.
Yeah.
Chest.
Yeah.
Stomp.
Yeah.
Back kick.
Yeah.
1 2 elbow.
Yeah.
2 1 elbow.
Yeah.
1 2 knee.
Yeah.
2 1 knee.
Yeah.
1 2 front kick.
Yeah.
2 1 front kick.
Yeah.
Set. Squatting position. Go.
Yeah.
Strikes. Go.
Yeah.
Blocks. Go.
Yeah.
Block set. Go.
Yeah.
I don't feel you. There we go. S&D. Go. Fighting stance.
Yeah.
Turbo taking 1.
Yeah.
5.
Yeah.
8.
Yeah.
2.
Yeah.
4.
Yeah.
6.
Yeah.
3.
Yeah.
7.
Yeah.
Go Muay Thai march. That's good. Front kick.
Yeah.
Roundhouse.
Yeah.
Side kick.
Yeah.
Outward crest.
Yeah.
Inward.
Yeah.
Back.
Yeah.
Switch.
Yeah.
Front.
Yeah.
Round.
Yeah.
Side.
Yeah.
Out.
Yeah.
In.
Yeah.
Back.
Yeah.
Switch it.
Start tight up.
Spinning back.
Yeah.
Other side.
Start tight up.
Go.
Yeah.
Good. And set.
Ice.
Who wants some of him? Come on, Charlie. Spencer, you want some? I don't blame him. He's got a test. So. All right, let's go. Front round. Go.
Yeah. So. Yeah. So.
Good. Back round 1. Go.
Yeah.
Back round 2.
Yeah.
Stay down, Charlie. You know the. Go.
Yeah. So.
Good. Quick trick 1. Go.
Yeah.
Take.
Yeah. So. Yeah. So.
Tackle. Hair. Go.
Yeah. So.
2.
Yeah. So.
Surround him. Get him.
Yeah.
Gotta move. Let's go.
Yeah.
Move.
Yeah.
Go.
Yeah. So.
Oh!
Yeah.
Hair.
Yeah,
And
go.
time.